pre-cut lace middle part bob wig, pre-cut lace C-part highlight curly wig. There's no lace to cut, no heels to climb, but we don't know that to be true yet.
Now they said this is gonna be a 30-second install, y'all. I ain't lying.
30 seconds. Somebody once said I got 5 on it. Huh? I have high expectations for these wigs. I'm sticking beside this wig. Like seriously. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
To you with a slay today.
A couple slays, actually.
Let the church say subscribe.
A couple slays that's on sale. You see where I'm at with it? I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. What's up, y'all? First of all, I hope everybody is doing well. You're treating yourself well as others. I just said well a whole bunch of times. Well, hey. Today's video is about 2 wigs that's supposed to be super duper plop on and go-ish, and we're just testing them out. So, dude, somebody go ahead and say a prayer because we don't know that to be true. These are pre-cut, lightly bleached knots, pre-plucked. There's no lace to cut, no heels to climb. That's what they say. Ain't no heels to climb. So, you know what we say.
We'll see.
You probably got to style it the way you want it to be styled, though. You know. But as far as lace, it's supposed to be none off up over there. But see, that's what I was wondering. How close they cutting it to the... Because you know it's a method. And are they zigging, zagging, and jigging, jagging? I don't know. Well, we about to find out. Let me just tell you about the wigs, and then I'm just going to test them out and see if they come at it like they claim they supposed to have came at it. That's really what we doing today. We testing these wigs out because they brand spanking new, and they are from Yes, girl. You remember I told y'all I want to try all their wigs because they like that? Well, these wigs are new, and hopefully they are true. Y'all, my face is beat like it's a baby that sat at the grown folks table at the family reunion. Okay. Let me make sure I'm saying things in decency and in order, see, because if it's not decent, then it may not be in order. These 2 wigs are their pre-cut lace glueless human hair wigs, okay? There's one that's a 10-inch 5x5 pre-cut lace middle part bob wig. And then there's a pre-cut lace glueless human hair 12-inch C-part blonde highlight curly wig. You see. That's a long name right there. Almost as long as mine. Y'all know I got a long name, but y'all don't know that, but I do have a long name. Like I mentioned, the lace is pre-cut. Now, I don't know. I've tried a pre-cut lace wig before, and it was pre-cut, y'all. They didn't lie about that. But to what degree of it? You know, I still had to go in a little bit more and just get it to where I liked it. Like, I could have left it like it was, but it was just a little bit too much lace for my liking still remaining. It's kind of like pre-plucking. It's pre-plucked, but to what degree of it? You see? See, because you may have to put on. Somebody once said I got 5 on it. Huh? All that was saying is that sometimes you have to speak victory during the test. Victory is when you can add on to your degree of it. Okay? So essentially, it's not about the degree. It's about what you see. I'm done with it. Y'all ain't ready for it. The curly highlight one, it's a side curve C part, you know, see? HD lace. Y'all, these are on sale Prime Day. This is what they finna get you right here. Not only are these 2 wigs on sale, but the majority of their store is on Prime Day sale. They are celebrating Prime Day, just like you and I. And y'all know I've been working Woo, Chad. I search and scavenge for those deals, okay? It is going to be 20% off of most of their wigs, y'all. Not just these two. Most of them. Most of them. So their pre-cut series is new. You know, generally they come with the lace already on there. You got to take care of it yourself. Huh? Somebody say, huh? This series offers you something different. These wigs are ready to go wigs. That's how they supposed to come at it.
Hot and ready like Little Caesars, okay?
That's it. You ready to go on down to the Carolina Mall. That's it. That's all. That's what they saying. But we don't know that to be true yet, okay? We don't know it yet. Y'all know y'all know I love me some yes, girl, but you know I don't be on here lying. We gotta test it out. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, Fifi. Fifi is my contact from Yes Girl. She's so nice and so sweet. What's up, Fifi? But yeah, I'm just saying. I don't mean no harm, Fifi. I just let us go ahead and test it out first, and then we can we'll be able to stick beside you once we know. Ready to go. Prime Day savings. And like I said, most of their wigs are going to be 20% off. I like their wigs and I like their prices. So, bam, bing, bang, boom. Store-wide 20% off discount. We've talked about that, which is the largest discount they've ever offered since they started the store. That's cool. I gave y'all all the deets. That's all I wanted to say. I'm just going to show you the wigs and then we're going to go for what we know. Bam. This is the box. You already know how they're coming with it, okay? As I always say, make sure the seller says, yes, girl. Otherwise, it's somebody out there dreaming and scheming, okay? We don't celebrate that. So make sure it says that, okay? I don't know how I'm gonna just braid this down because Sheila is out here. Okay, I see where you at with it, yeah, girl. This is their 10-inch bob with a middle part. Those knots have been bleached and that lace has been cut. Look at that. Okay, then. The lace been cut and it looks jig-jag. It's not like it's straight across. This is the construction of the wig. 2 combs off to the side with pride. 1 off up in the back. Is there one? 1 behind the frontal. You have your elastic. It is adjustable and you have your adjustable strap. You are going to have to press it. This is right out the box, y'all. So unless you ain't got to do it now. I'm just saying you can head up the full line like this if you want to, but it's already pre-cut up and stuff. You just toss it on there. I'm going to show y'all when I go back here and I'm going to put it on and just show y'all what it looks like when we just plopping it on, okay? Without melting the lace and all that stuff because it's supposed to be glueless.
You have now entered my inner thoughts. Now they said this is going to be a 30-second install, y'all. I ain't lying.
30 seconds. As the good sister Mary J. Blige once prophesied, all that I can say is, we'll see.
And the church say amen. Okay, bye.
That thing is finna be pressed down and running over like our blessings. Look at these. Look at these curls. Look at the ends. It's so curly and cute and soft. These are juicy, thick, clumped curls, y'all. Oh yeah. Bleach knots. Pre-cut.
What more can I say?
We can go ahead and get a pop in. I have high expectations for these wigs. Y'all hit that subscribe button, join the family, and join the fun. Do not miss this sale, y'all. It's about to go down Prime Day. Let's go ahead and test these wigs out and get to the final thoughts of it. We about to find out together, okay? Hold a minute. sound real bad, the audio, okay? This is my camera audio. I do not have my microphone because I was not about to do this. Baby, I didn't think any of their wigs would match their 10-inch bang bob wig that I absolutely love. That is my favorite wig of theirs. Y'all look at this. I didn't tint the lace. I didn't pluck. I didn't cut the lace. I used my cheek with my comb attachment that I showed y'all and y'all sold it out in like 10 minutes. Oh, they're back in stock too, by the way. And I used a Biolage heat protectant. I love this stuff. It smells so flipping good. And what more can I say? Look, hold on. I have to say this right now, expeditiously. Get this wig. They done messed around and messed around again. I told you, y'all better get this on Prime Day. Prime Day. Prime Day. Hey. I'm sticking beside this wig. I'm sticking beside. I'm gonna do the golden highlight wig, but baby, y'all, I literally just put this on. Like seriously. This wig is the bomb. Y'all know I be wanting y'all to get the tea first. Y'all want y'all to get the hot tea. I like this, y'all. I just had to tell y'all, I'm sorry, I had to do it like this. I couldn't wait.